Today we're at the Steiner Residence, built in 1955 by none other than Alfred Newman Beadle. This mid-century home has it all. Beautiful renovation, stunning grounds, and a lot of history. Come take a look. Commissioned in 1955, this is pure Al Beadle. Vaulted ceilings, natural light, stacked concrete block, copper roof lines, walls of glass. It's an amazing mid-century ranch. Tucked away on one of Phoenix's most iconic hidden lanes, this home is more than mid-century cool. It's a piece of Arizona history. Originally developed in the 1930s, this lush, irrigated enclave once drew stars like Frank Sinatra, Bob Hope, and even played a part in Barry Goldwater's presidential campaign. And don't miss the fully restored guest house, including mature trees, expansive lawns, and a sparkling pool. This home has had a sensitive and thoughtful renovation, keeping every iconic detail intact, including the signature concrete floors. I'm glad you could come on this tour today, and thanks for stopping by.